Hello, guys. So I'm just want to give you a brief overview of the Marvin Sketch software. The reason why I'm interested in you to know how to use it is because when you're answering questions on Blackboard, you're gonna have to use this feature. So you have three menus, one on top, regular, similar to Word or Paint, if you have ever used Paint. On the left-hand side, you have all the bonds, the different bonds that you can draw, uh, charges, brackets, uh, arrows, different arrows on reaction arrows, labels. On the right-hand side, you have a periodic table. You have already common atoms that you can add to your structure. So the first thing is you're gonna select the single bond feature or the multi-bond feature, depending on what you need to draw. In this case, in your assignment, you needed to draw a cyclohexene. So there's some templates already here for you. So just click on the cyclohexene and then you had to draw a cis cyclohexane diol. So I'm gonna select the oxygen from the right-hand side and then just click on the carbon. That's all you had to do. For the second structure, you had to draw a pentane. So I'm gonna select the chain, carbon atom chain. You're gonna draw 5 carbon atoms. Then you're gonna select the structure and then click on it. So we're gonna have the chlorine going towards you or going behind you, and that's gonna be the R isomer. Then for the next one, you had to draw cholesterol, which is a big molecule. It's a good exercise to just draw hexanes attached to each other just by overlapping the carbon atoms with one another. You can fix this just by selecting the atoms, the select button, and then just rotate a little. Let's see. That's pretty much how you do it. Then you can start adding the features that you want to add to this polycyclic structure. There's another way. You can go to the top menu, go to insert, and then template. You're gonna have to find the one that you need, the molecule that you want. There's lots of templates already here. We need the polycyclic structure, the template for cholesterol, which is already set. And then we're gonna have to add everything else attached to it. Okay, so all the stereo centers that you have. If you have a double bond, you go to the bond and then click in between the atoms that you want to add. If you have an alcohol, you just click on the atom chain. If you want to add a longer carbon atom chain, just click and drag. And you can drag whichever way you want. So this is basically what I needed you to look. Again, you have double bonds. If you want to draw a double bond, E double bond is with substituents on opposite sides. What else you had to draw? You had to draw a polyol. Polyol is 5 carbon atoms. And then from each of those carbon atoms, you have oxygen. So you click and drag up to add oxygen. click and drag up, click and drag up, click and drag up, and then click and drag up. Automatically, the molecule is gonna be completed with hydrogens. If you don't like the way you draw it by hand, you select the molecule and then just go to structure, clean, 2D, and it fixes the dimensions. Again, if you have to add stereochemistry to it, just to the bond that you want. So just add the stereochemistry on each bond. So click on the bond that you want to change the stereochemistry. And then once you have your document, you just select the molecule, copy, or select the molecule, and then copy as, and then image, JPG image. Then you have your Word document, and then paste. Control insert is to copy, Shift insert is to paste. And that's all I wanted to show you.